hope you are all fine. Today we are going to discuss about different types of sets. As in the previous video we discussed what is a set, how to represent a set in different forms. Today in this session we are going to discuss about different types of sets. What are the different kinds of sets we have? The different types of sets we have: cardinal set, null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, joint sets, disjoint sets, equal sets, equivalent sets, and universal set. In this class, we are going to discuss about the definitions of different types of sets. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get latest information. Let me discuss about a cardinal set. A cardinal set means the number of elements which are unique is called a cardinal set. It is denoted by n of A and read as number of elements in set A. See, cardinal means nothing but we will write a set with some elements. If we count all the elements by unique way is called a cardinal set. For a better example, if A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then number of elements in A is equal to 4, because in set A we have 4 elements, then number of elements in A is equal to 4. Null set. Null set is nothing but the word represents null means 0. So a set which does not contain any element is known as null set. Null set is also called as empty set or void set. Null set is denoted by null set symbol or F5. Means there are no elements in a set. You will write a set without having any elements is called a null set. For example, A is equal to set of whole numbers less than 0. I taken a simple example here, a set of whole numbers which are less than 0. So the whole numbers less than 0 doesn't contain. So therefore A is equal to null set or 5. And coming to next, singleton set. Singleton set means just it is an opposite to null set. Null set means which does not contain any element. A singleton set means which contains only single element, only one element. A set which contains only one element is called as singleton set. Example, a set of even prime numbers is the better example to describe a singleton set. A set of even prime numbers. So what are the even prime numbers? We have A is equal to 2 because 2 is the even prime number. Then how many elements in A? We have one element that's written there. N of A is equal to 1. Next, finite set. Finite in the word, there is some determination. As we can have some goals that are called finite and infinite. So before going to this infinite, let me recall about finite set. A set in which the elements are countable are known as finite sets. A set in which the elements are countable are known as finite sets. Means if you take any set like A, B, C, D or any type of set, if the elements in that set are determined by numbers, means it is countable, then we'll call such set is called finite set. For that, we have taken example. A is equal to set of whole numbers less than 10. And A is equal to set of whole numbers less than 10. It can be written as in roster form 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next, infinite set. A set in which the elements are uncountable are known as infinite sets. Means it is difficult to count because n number of elements will be in a set. If we have n number of elements be in a set, such sets are called infinite sets. For example, if you take the same example with different matter, A is equal to set of whole numbers. A is equal to set of whole numbers. If it is a set of whole numbers, means as we know that it is very difficult to count. See here, A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on up to n numbers, because numbers are unlimited. We can't count the numbers. So such type of examples are described in the sets definition is infinite set. As joint set. So now from this we are going to discuss about a few definitions which are totally based with relation of two sets. So till now we discussed about a single set, but now a discussion is based on about two sets. See, joint sets. Joint sets means to join. Means what means to join? So you should keep together? No. Two sets A and B are said to be joint if they have a common element in both. Let us take two examples, A and B. When we call as joint sets, if they have a common element in both. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 4, 5. Identify the elements in set A, 1, 2, 3. Identify the elements in set B, 1, 4, 5. Which is common there? 1 is common. So, hence A and B are called joint sets because the common element is 1 and we will call 1 as joint sets. Next, disjoint set. Disjoint set is nothing but two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they does not have a common element in both. For example, there are no common elements in the two sets. Let us take A set and let us take B set, and there are no common elements in two sets. So if there is no common element in two sets, such sets are called disjoint sets. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5. Observe the two sets A and B, 1, 2, 3 and B, 4, 5. There is no common element, hence these sets are called as disjoint sets. So null set means there is no common element, hence it is an example of disjoint set. Null set means there is no element, hence it is example of a disjoint set. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element in set A is same as every element in set B. See, you have two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element in set A is same as every element in set B. Hence, such elements are called equal sets. Example, A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. B is equal to set 1, 2, 3. See, in the set A, we have three elements are common, and in set B, we have three elements are common. Therefore, these two sets are said to be equal, and it is represented as A is equal to B. Next, equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equivalent sets if number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in set B. So it is based for number of elements. See here, example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 4, 5. Here in these two sets, elements are different, but count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Means in the two sets, number of elements are same. Hence we will call it as n of A is equal to n of B. And finally, in this session, we are going to discuss about a universal set. So what is a universal set? The word represents universe, means total. The word represents a universe, which means a total. In this universal set, in which all the elements will define from all sets. All the elements will define from all sets. For example, if A is derived, B is derived, C is derived, and every set is a parental to universal set. In other words, universal set is mother set of all sets, and it is denoted by mu. We call it as mu. This is the symbol called mu. We call it as mu. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to A, B, C, and universal set is equal to a combination of A and B, means 1, 2, 3, A, B, and C. So these are the definitions we learnt in this session, and in the next session we are going to discuss about few more definitions which are most important for problematic problems. Hence, until then, thank you, take care, bye.